All right, let's get you the latest on the big showdown over NEET. We saw it playing out in Parliament earlier today with Rahul Gandhi and Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan taking on each other. And now Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has taken to social media to lash out at Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav in particular, both leaders who spoke in Parliament today and raised questions of the government. Dharmendra Pradhan has claimed that Rahul Gandhi is shedding crocodile tears and has highlighted paper leaks that happened under the UPA's watch as well. Now, Dharmendra Pradhan has followed that up by saying that the Congress government failed to stop these malpractices, a point that he made in Parliament as well. After Rahul Gandhi said that our education system has been completely compromised, you had Dharmendra Pradhan hitting back, saying that it was the Congress that actually compromised our education system, and now has also said that Rahul Gandhi is shedding crocodile tears on this issue. Let's play out for you also what exactly happened in Parliament earlier today.
Now, the minister has blamed everybody except himself. Right? I don't even think he understands the fundamentals of what is going on here. There are millions of students in this country who are extremely concerned at what is going on and who are convinced that the Indian examination system is a fraud. That is what is at stake here. If you're rich and if you have money, you can buy the Indian examination system. And by the way, and this is the same feeling that the people in the opposition have. As this is a systemic issue, what exactly are you doing to fix this issue at a systemic level?
Yes.
That's the first question.
मेरे जो शिक्षा है, मेरे जो संस्कार है, मेरे जो सामाजिक जीवन है, मेरे को मेरे राज्य की, मेरे सूबे की जनता की स्वीकृति मिली है। मैं किसी की, मेरे बौद्धिक और मेरे संस्कार की सर्टिफिकेट मेरे को सारी सदन में किसी से नहीं चाहिए। देश की प्रजातंत्र में चुन के मेरे नेता प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी को प्रधानमंत्री की भूमिका दिया है। मैं उनकी निर्णय से यहाँ उत्तर दे रहा हूँ सदन को। बाकी ये कहना चिल्लाने से सच झूठ नहीं हो जाएगा साहब। ये जो कहा गया देश की अभी की एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम रबिश है सर, इससे दुर्भाग्यजनक बयान देश की नेता प्रतिपक्ष का कुछ नहीं हो सकता है सर। मैं कठोर शब्द से इसको निंदा करता हूं सर। जिन्होंने रिमोट से सरकारें चलाई है, 2010 में 3 बिल आया था सर शिक्षा सुधार के लिए। उन्हीं की पार्टी के नेता आदरणीय कपिल सिब्बल साहब 3 बिल लाए थे। उसमें से एक बिल था एजुकेशन, उसमें एक बिल था प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ अनफेयर प्रैक्टिस बिल 2010, जिसकी उद्देश्य एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन में माल प्रैक्टिस को बंद करना। सर, मेरे सरकार की हिम्मत है, अभी हमने पब्लिक एग्जामिनेशन की रेगुलरिटीज में बिल लाए, कानून बनाए। क्या मजबूरी था कांग्रेस पार्टी की? क्या मजबूरी था नेता प्रतिपक्ष की?
Piyush Mishra is joining us live with more details on this. Piyush, even as the government has repeatedly been cornered on the issue of NEET, they've now taken a stand against the Congress. And it's clear now that the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan is going to be leading the counter, the fight back, saying that there were many such paper leaks, such scams that took place in the UPA era. All right, apologies. We don't have Piyush just yet with us. But at this point, we played out for you some of the highlights of the Parliament debate that took place earlier today, as the opposition has been taking on the Modi government on the issue of NEET on the same day that the Supreme Court also has been hearing this matter.